Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Google quiz form which you can use to take some test. It is basically applicable for all the teachers who are taking the tests through the online mode. Here in the Google form I have created a few questions. Only with the two questions I have given, that is color of rose, that is red and blue options are given, and color of peas, green and orange options are given. So only two questions I have given, and based on that I will take the response from the recipients. And don't forget to give the name of the recipients, which is very important. I have forgotten to give, that is name of the students. Okay, and it will take the short answer. You must click on this, that required button on the name, because without name you will not find anything that who has given this response. Anyway, so I'm coming to the question part, which is important for this video. In this question, two questions are there and two answers are given for each questions. So student have to give the answer of anyone. So if normally we can create a Google form, the response will come, but you cannot secure some marks based on the answer. So if you want to judge your students automatically by selecting the correct answer, then you have to make this Google form into the quiz mode. So how you can enable the quiz mode? Go to the settings and click on the quizzes. See, one option is there, that is make this as a quiz, right? So you have to enable this, and after enabling this, few more options will be enabled. So first one is immediately after each submission, that release marks. So if you want to release the marks immediate after the submission, then the student can see the answer just soon after their submission of the form. And if you want to release the scores later, then also you can do it, which turns on the email collection, which it is very important that after clicking on the manual review you can go through that. And few options are given, that is missed question. The respondent can see that missed question, correct answer and the point values. So if you want to show the correct answer soon after that, then you can check this correct answer. It is very much important. And missed question, if someone missed the question, then it can be shown. And point values also, if you want to show that how which point has been assigned and on which question what point the student has secured, that you can shown by using the point value option. So I basically personally uncheck the every option. Why? Because I do not want the student can see the every answer soon after that response, so that they can discuss among themselves, and the later students who will give the response later, they can get the correct answer. So I uncheck all this answer and click on the save button. Now see, color of rose, the correct answer is red. So what we have to do after clicking this, now this answer key is enabled by clicking on the quiz option. So the answer key, you should select either red or blue, which one is correct. So we know that the red is correct, so in the answer key you click on the red, okay, and the point you have to give, the point is 1. Okay, for this question the marks assigned is 1, that you can give. So done. So this part is done, and you can make it required, so student have to give the answer, otherwise they cannot skip the answer. Again I am clicking on this question, click on the answer key. So color of peas, I am clicking on the green, point is 1, and done. Clicking on the required field. Okay, so this is how we can do the quiz form. Now how you can view this? See, the quiz will be viewed in this way. So I am writing my email ID. And I'm clicking on red and orange. I'm intentionally making this this thing as a orange and this thing as a red, and this response has been enabled. Why? Because we can send a response that which answer I have clicked on, that was enabled in the Google Form. So that is why I am getting this option. So I'm clicking this. Okay, I'll check what response are coming in our email. So I'm submitting on this. Okay, so your response has been recorded. Submit another response is enabled as in the settings. You can see that if request, then you can, and submit that. See, limit to one response is unchecked, so that is why submit another response has been come. And if responded request, that is response receipts, that one email should come. So I am checking that. See, one email has automatically come into my email ID, which is on which answer I have clicked. This is not showing any correct or incorrect answer or any marks. Just I am getting one receipt from the Google Form that whether it is correct or incorrect. Fine. So I am going to the response. See, response have come. So how I can see what is the obtained marks? That is 1. See, score is 1. Why? Because one question was correct and one question was incorrect. So that is why the obtained marks was 1. It is given. So how we can download the responses? Download responses.csv. We can click on this. Now one file will be downloaded. Here we can click on the CSV file. Here we can see timestamp, that is which time I have submitted. Username is the email ID. Total score is 1/2. Name is given. For name there is no marks has been assigned. Name, one feedback column is there. It is coming as a empty. Don't worry about it. The color response is given by red, and for this 1 marks has been obtained. Okay, and for color for piece was orange, which is incorrect, so 0 has assigned. So total 1 marks has been obtained into this quiz. I hope that this video will help you to make your own quiz through Google Forms, so that you can take easily the online. You can do the same with the text type answer. For example, I am showing you one thing. Suppose you are adding another question, that is our country name. So it should be India. The answer should be India. So I am writing on the answer key and writing the correct answer. So it should be India. Some people can use only the lowercase. Some people can use only the uppercase. So we are giving in this way. Okay, and it should be 1. Fine, done. Okay, so and we are making it as required. So 1 point has come. This is for 1 point. This is for 1 point. So 3 questions I am assigning. Fine. Now I am checking what can be the response. So color of red is rose is red, this is green, and our country name is India. Okay, send me 1 copy, submit. So let us check. See, 1 response has come. We have given these responses. See, India, green and red. Fine. So what is the marks? Marks, now we have to check it in this way. The third option that we have given, the third option is red was correct, green was correct, and India was also correct. So now if we download it, we can see download responses. clicking on the file. Okay, now see what is coming. One problem you can see that one problem has occurred. Why? What? That is, the color of rose and the color of peace was there in the first time, but now the country name option is not coming. Why? Because here for the first time the first two options was only given, but the third option was not given. So for this we have to resolve this problem, because we may add more questions later. So if we are adding more questions later, we have to delete all the responses. Right? I'm deleting this. You have to delete all the responses, and now I am clicking here, giving the email address, red, green and India. Send me a copy, submit. So soon after the submission I am getting one response. Response is red, green and India. Now checking the responses, what is coming, see, and response. So we have got, so what is the marks? 3 out of 3. So now if we download it, download the responses, then if you open it, now see, this is coming. Our country name is India and the score is 1. So this is how you can get you can change some option. And for that, to keep the earlier responses, you can download it and then you can clear all the earlier responses. That you can do. So this is what I wanted to show you about the quiz, Google Form quiz. I hope that this video will be helpful for all the teachers. Mainly for the teachers I am making it, as the computer teachers or the technical teachers may be aware of this, but the general teachers from schools or from colleges, general colleges, may be unaware of this part. So I want them to create their online quizzes through Google Form, so that they can easily take the online tests. Thank you so much for watching this video.